long and straight.
Kaya to for Mauricio.
No problem. He gets this. He gets everything. Yan na, bibilis na tira ni Tisoy.
Nakakokis na niya sa utak niya.
Oo. Ayan, I keep on bringing that up every time we see fast players. The second fastest player I've seen live in my life. Na-cover ko si Tony Drago noong 2004. Grabe. Paglapag ng plangketa, tira. Boom, 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 boom.
Tony Drago from Malta, right?
Correct. Luke Salvas, napakabilis din tumira. Hindi kinakailangan na mabilis na tira para dito kay John Rasir Mauricio to reach 11 wins for the Pillars. And Mauricio has done just that.